My name is Leo Maya. I come from SD nomor 12 Jimbaran. Today, I'll tell you about a story called Jaka, Tarub, and the Seven Angels. Once upon a time, there was a widow who lived in the village of Tarub. She had a son whose name was Jaka. The village was close to a wood, so Jaka liked to go to the wood. He liked hunting for animals with his blowpipe. One day, when he was in the woods, he saw a beautiful rainbow and he saw 7 angels went down to it. He came closer and searched for them. The 7 angels were swimming and taking a bath in a lake. Jaka looked at them while hiding behind trees. When they had finished taking a bath, they flew through the rainbow to heaven. The next day, he saw the same thing again. This time, Jaka had an idea. He searched for their dress, and when he found them, he took one of them. As they had finished swimming and taking a bath, they looked for the dress. One of them could not find her dress. Her friends had to come back to heaven, so they left her. She was crying while staying in the water. Jaka proposed. "Why are you crying, lady?" "I lost my dress, so I cannot go home." "Where is your home?" "I live in heaven. I'm an angel. My name is Nawang, but I lost my dress, so I cannot fly anymore." "Never mind. I'll take my mother's dress for you." "Okay, please do." "Wait for me here. I'll be back." Then Jaka went home to take her mother's dress and gave it to Nawang. He asked her to stay at his house with his mother. Not long after that, Jaka married Nawang. As an angel, Nawang had spiritual power. She had ability which far above human being. She could cook rice with just a bar of rice, and when it has done, the bowl would be full of rice. But there was one condition. The bowl must not be opened before it has done. Jaka was very surprised with her wife's ability. He was very curious about it. So when Nawang was away, he opened the bowl. Consequently, Nawang's spiritual power disappeared. She had to cook as ordinary human being. Several months later, Nawang gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. Her name was Namse. The birth of Namse added happiness to Jaka and Nawang. Since Nawang could not cook efficiently anymore, she needs more rice than usual. The stock of rice in their storeroom diminished rapidly. Then one day, when she took rice, there, she was very surprised. Nawang found her angel dress. It was hidden there under the pile of rice. She immediately wore it and talked to Jaka. "My dear husband, now I know what you did to me." "Forgive me, my dear. I admit that I did this because I love you." "I love you too, but now I found my dress. I must come back to heaven. I'm an angel. My place is not here. I have to go now." How about Nawansi? She needs you. I will leave her, but don't worry. I'll take care of her. Anytime she needs me, I'll be here. For the purpose, please build a tower. When Nawansi cries, you must put her there, then call my name. I'll come immediately. But I'll be invisible to you. Goodbye, dear. Then Jaka built a tower behind his house. Every time Nawansi cries, he would put her there. Now Wulan would come and take care of Nawansi. The end.